Total Flex Ethanol Plant, a sustainable project for India. Productive diversity, renewable energy, flexibility in the production of biofuels and food, and full use of waste. These are some of the advantages of the Millenium Bio project, with the proposal to build its first Total Flex plant in India to produce biofuel, sugar, DDGS, and electricity, among other products, based on corn and sugarcane. The project is in line with the new era of technology that does not harm the planet and that contributes with great economic and social value. Millenium Bio uses technologies inserted in the value chain, including the rational use of waste for energy generation, the efficient production of biofuels, ethanol, animal feed with DDGS, sugar, and bio-oil for human consumption, in addition to other byproducts. The entire process is carried out in a safe environment, from marketing to distribution of the various co-products. Following the example of existing projects in Brazil, Millenium Bio introduces a new business model with multi-regional coverage through strategic location studies that attest to the agricultural and commercial potential in India, as well as the interest of local governments, the potential for forming strategic partnerships, and its great social importance. At the invitation of the Indian government, Millenium Bio started studies in India and identified the regions such as Andhra Pradesh, with its high productivity, Uttar Pradesh, where the largest sugarcane belt in the country is located, as well as Karnataka and Tamil Nadu further south, all with existing sugar mills and eligible to be transformed into units, Total Flex being the most feasible adaptation for a first project in the country, with industrial plants integrated in the simultaneous processing of sugarcane and corn, and studies to replicate the Total Flex model in other regions of strong development. The invitation was received at the same time that the Indian government was approving the EBP, Ethanol Blending Programme, the new Indian emissions policy, highlighting the Andhra Pradesh region and its exceptional soil condition, sugarcane production with high efficiency and excellent logistics for receiving corn and distributing products. The production is mainly aimed at domestic consumption and the reduction of emissions from the large existing vehicle fleet, reducing dependence on imports, and mainly relieving the existing pressure on sugar production, which can return to its historical capacity to meet the demand of the domestic market and still have a surplus of sugar for export. Technological integration ensures that the industrial complex runs continuously, with no downtime between harvests. This is possible by the total bioenergy system, which uses, in addition to sugarcane bagasse and straw, vinasse biogas as fuel, making the plant self-sufficient in energy for the corn ethanol process. The waste from the process in the fields is now treated as a high-value raw material and source of revenue. Energy efficiency is based on the concept of zero waste, which, in line with Indian environmental legislation, makes it possible to maximize the use of polluting waste, avoiding the burning of sugarcane straw in the fields, reducing fertigation with vinasse, and the emission of CO2 from fermentation, benefiting the soil and the atmosphere. The environmental footprint has allowed us to partner with ARUB, a specialist in the environmental engineering and sustainable design. In addition to the production of ethanol, sugar, and DDGS, the model includes another 10 possibilities of marketable products, which are only possible due to the efficiency of the system. Millenium Bio's technical capacity has won the support of several internationally known global companies, dedicated to promoting the biofuels market in Brazil and abroad, due to the project's levels of sustainability and replicability. All Millenium Bio projects use offtake contracts for future sales for 5 to 10 years of ethanol and DDGS, which mitigates financial risks. The optimization and sharing of industrial facilities enables a great reduction in investment and operation per unit of raw material processed. They all reduce the payback period and increase the rate of return on investment, delivering unprecedented results in the biofuels industry. There are great achievements in the social area. An important part of the project is human development through job creation and training of skilled labor, as well as productive arrangements that allow small producers to optimize their crops and participate in the project as business partners, increasing their return per unit of planted area. Alliances with institutions will ensure the training and hiring of local workers. The country today has first world policies to encourage renewable energy and biofuel projects, which provide security for investors and partners, equaling profitability in India to what is found in Brazil. India will be our next address, where the best of corn and sugarcane will meet, promoting the vision of Millenium Bioenergy that has been innovating to lead through a differentiated model which concentrates several industries in a single complex.